Good morning, students. Now let us come back to our grammar part. This is about these exercises are of lesson number 1, grammar, parts of speech. Yes, you have seen parts of speech. How many parts of speech are there? There are 8 parts of speech. So based on this, these exercises are there. Okay. So on page number 5, the exercises we have done, they were about abstract noun, common noun and collective noun. Then make the sentences correct. Now here on page number 7, they are based on pronouns, possessive pronouns and all. Okay. And now here page number 7, look at the first exercise. First exercise, what is that? Complete the sentences using a suitable pronoun. What? Complete the sentences using a suitable pronoun. You have to use a suitable, most correct pronoun you have to use. Now I have written the answer. See here, I am reading the sentence, write it in the textbook itself. Don't write it in the notebook. The pink bag belongs to Neha. It is hers. Write in the blank over there, hers. It belongs to her. It belongs to her, but it is, we will not write her, we will write it is hers. Yes. Now look at the second one. Jack has eaten his pizza, but I am saving dash for dinner. I am saving my for dinner. No, you will not write mine, you will write mine. I am saving mine for dinner. So second fill in the blank is mine. Understood? Third one now. My car is very cheap, but now here see here. Yours, his, her or theirs. Out of these 4, any one you can write. Don't write all. But yours you can write, but yours is expensive, or his is expensive, hers is expensive, or theirs is also, you can write theirs is expensive. What is the sentence? My car is very cheap, but theirs is expensive. You can write out of these 4, any one word you can write. Any word, any one pronoun you can write. Now look at the fourth one. We gave them our contact number and they gave us theirs. Here you can't use his, her and all. Here you have to use only theirs. Only for fourth and few sentences are there where we can use either this or that. Now fifth one. Cricket is his favorite sport and tennis is mine. Also you can write, or her. We don't write her. Hers. It is mine or it is hers. Out of these 2, any one of your choice you can write. Sixth one. Their room is on the 1st floor, but ours is on the 5th floor. Understood? Yes. Now look at the second exercise. Here you have to put a tick mark. Do this in the textbook itself. Second is what? Choose the right word. Now 2 are there. 2 pronouns are there. You have to choose the correct one over there. You have to put a tick mark for it. His hair was longer than hers. Put a tick mark for hers in the textbook. Then my room is bigger than theirs. Theirs, theirs. Put a tick mark over there. Now this is a nice camera. Is it yours? You will not say is it yours. Is it yours? Fourth one. It's their problem, not ours. Okay. See. Fifth one. Their house looks like ours, but ours is bigger. Here both fill in the blanks. You are going to use ours, not our. Okay. Their house is big. Ours is also big. Sixth one. I think this umbrella is not mine. Not mine. You will not say I think this umbrella is not mine. No, we will say it is not mine. If it was, I think this umbrella is not dash umbrella, then you would have written my umbrella. But here it is not, is umbrella is not, and there nothing is there, so that is why we are using mine. If umbrella was there afterwards also, see here, I think this umbrella is not dash umbrella, then you would have written there my umbrella. Okay. Here it is, nothing is written, so we are writing over there mine. We are not using my over there. Now look at the third exercise. Complete each sentence with a pronoun ending with self or selves. SELF, self or selves, cells. Okay. Now first one, he is very selfish. He thinks of himself only. Write it over here. Write it in the textbook only. He thinks only of himself. Then second, she picked up a very hot plate and burnt herself. She, we use herself, he, himself. We had a nice time at Shimla. We enjoyed ourselves. My friends had a nice time in Delhi. They enjoyed themselves. See here, where we are using ourselves and themselves. We is there, we use ourselves. They is there, we use themselves. Now look at the fifth one. All of you have a nice holiday and take care of yourselves. Sixth one, I want to know more about you, Arnav. Tell me about yourself. Now this, what is the sentence? Arnav. Arnav is the name of a boy. We want to know only about Arnav. So tell me about, you will not say yourselves. Tell me about yourself. Here we have written here yourself. Understood? Now look at exercise 4. This also in the textbook only you will do. Because in the notebook I think you have written the 8 parts of speech, one below the other, and some notes regarding that definitions you have written. So this let it be in the textbook itself. Now fill in the blanks with suitable relative or interrogative pronoun. Now which are they? What, which, whose, whom and that. These are the relative or interrogative pronoun. These we have to put it properly in the blank. Now first one, listen to dash your teacher says. Listen to what? Write over there what your teacher says. Second, you will get dash you want. You will get what you want. Third one, dash shall I give this letter to. Whom shall I give this letter to? Whom shall I give this letter to? Or whom or who also. Who shall I give this letter to also is correct. Dash of these girls can sing the best. Here what you will write? Which of these girls can sing the best? Fifth one, dash should I address this letter? Whom should I address this letter to, or who should I address this letter to also is correct. Sixth one, he is the boy dash bike has been stolen. He is the boy whose bike has been stolen. Understood? So these you have to write in the textbook itself. Now page number 8, this we have done in the notebook. I told you to write that in the notebook. Determiners, yes. What are determiners? Determiner is a word that introduces or clarifies a noun. It always comes before a noun, and these sentences I had done on the board. I have written. This video also has been sent, and I think 10 or 11 I have written. 12 to or 11 to 15 or 12 to 14 you had to write on your own. Then on page number 9, exercise 2nd was given for homework for you. Adjectives. When we had done the topic adjectives, that time you had been given this homework for you. Have you done it? If you have not done it, you have to do it on your own. You have to write the adjectives which are there in the box. Okay? That you have to write in the book itself. Now look at page number 10. Look at page number 12. Now 10. This you have to write in your notebook.